Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today it's time for another Ipsy glam bag unbagging. Ipsy is a $10 subscription service that comes to your house every month, and it ranges from 4 to 5 sample size, deluxe size sample size, sometimes even full size samples. You can get anything from makeup, hair care, skincare, nail polish, that kind of thing. And it comes in a fun different bag every month. This is what August looked like. It's like a hunter green, and it's got like the faux studs to it. It does have a gold zipper, and it does say Ipsy on the little zipper tag here. It's super cute. I love this color. I think this would be a super fun clutch if it didn't have like the zipper or the part that says Ipsy. If it was a little sturdier, it'd be really cute. But let's go ahead and open her up. Looks like that. The first thing in here is of course the card. It says August 2019, Bury Yourself. So that's the theme of this month. This is what the card looks like. It is really cute. It does actually have the products listed this time. The Glam Bag Plus, which is another Ipsy service, it's $25 a month. I also get that one. That one didn't have a card this month, so I don't know if it was like mine or everyone's didn't have one, but I was bummed about it. But this one does. So let's just reach in and grab the first thing. It looks like this. It's by Suva Beauty. It's an eyeshadow. I think we got something by Suva last month in the, I think it was in the Glam Bag Plus actually. It was, oh yeah, it was an eyeliner. I gave that away already. This is in the shade Turmeric. I didn't love the eyeliner because it was like water activated and like I'm lazy, so I didn't do that. But this is what it looks like. The packaging's cute. I like the black with the white lettering all around it. This is something I probably won't use, I'll be honest. Feels okay. It's not like mind-blowing. It's a pretty shade though. Yeah, I'm not like blown away. I mean, it's pretty, it matches Simba, but it's not like, I don't know, it's not really something that I'm blown away with because I have this shade in palettes, so I don't feel like I need a single version of it. But if you're somebody who doesn't have a lot of palettes and you like that shade, then it'd be great for you. Next thing, actually, let's talk about it. It doesn't have the value that, I hate that. Ipsy, fix it. A boxy charm every time you get a card, and it has all the products on it every time and the price is listed. I wish Ipsy would do that. Easy to apply, opaque, water resistant. Honestly, what more could you want in an eyeshadow? This cream powder hybrid formula delivers all of that and then some. Plus this gold foil shade is so fun for your end of summer looks. Okay, that's what it says. Next thing in here is in bubble wrap. This looks like a nail polish. Can't open it. Gotta be smarter than the bubble wrap. Well, where is there? Oh, it matches the bag. Not quite. It's a little lighter, but it's pretty. Be yourself, incredible nails. Wait, what? Be your incredible self with Nails Inc. Okay, it's Nails Inc. That's the cruelty-free brand. So is Suva Beauty, by the way. Professionally formulated vitamin-infused polishes are beloved by nail artists around the world. This cool khaki green shade is eye-catching and so on trend. It's super glossy, long-lasting, and ergonomically designed brush makes it easy to apply. What is your shade name? Weekend Superpowers. That's a cute name. Okay, let's just pop some on my thumb real quick. This is what the brush looks like. I'm gonna get the excess off here using the inside of the bottle. This whole room is gonna smell like nail polish now, but that's okay. This is a really pretty shade. Green's my favorite color, so not hard to please me with the green polish, but there's one layer. That's actually pretty opaque for one layer. My thumbs are so awkward. That's pretty. I like the shade a lot, actually. It kind of looks more blue on the fingernail, but I like it. I will use it again. Next is this. This is in a different language. Bombi Honey and Moisture Cleansing Foam Papa Recipe. What? Bombi Honey Moisture Cleansing Foam. It offers a gentle cleansing experience with its rich effervescent lather, leaving the skin feeling all day hydrated without stripping the skin. what is this from? I think it's Korean. Yep. This Korean skincare brand believes the best products are made with natural beauty. No, I can't. I'm just putting words in. Natural, healthy, raw ingredients. Great for dry skin types. This foaming cleanser made with honey, propolis, and olive fruit oil gets rid of dirt, oils, and makeup while nourishing skin with moisture. Okay, so I'm glad this is for dry skin because my Ipsy profile definitely says I have dry skin. So at least they're paying attention to that. Or they just got lucky, I guess. But all I can smell is nail polish. Oh, I hate that. I hate the way that smells. That smells like cat pee. I will not be putting that on my face. Oh my god, I hate the way that smells. That might be an amazing life-changing product, but we'll never know because I'm not putting that on my face. Next. Oh, this is by Huda Beauty. Fun. This is a lip contour in the shade Trophy Wife. So it's just a lip liner. Very creamy. Pretty shade right there. These two actually go good together. Would just smell it because it's a lip pencil. I am excited about this. This is a brand that I actually know. I mean, I know Nails Inc. because I've gotten it before, and I know Suva Beauty because we've gotten it before, but Huda Beauty is something that I know, not just from subscription services, and they are cruelty free. So that's exciting. Last product in here is a little baby guy. Like this is, and it's bigger than my thumb. And it's like the size of my index finger. This is by It Cosmetics. It's the Confidence in a Gel Lotion. So that's cool. Made by plastic surgeons and derms. This brand's clinically tested products are highly effective and healthy for your skin. This oil-free lotion is made with ceramides and cactus flower extract to smooth skin before makeup, prime before makeup, and hydrate for up to 72 hours. That's a bold claim. Although my favorite moisturizer right now is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. It's really good. So this gel lotion I'm sure will be good. Let's squeeze out like the tiniest amount because I don't want to waste it. There it is. Oh yeah, that actually feels really nice. Doesn't have a scent, which I appreciate. I mean, I don't mind scented things as long as they smell good, but if they stink, I'm not putting them on my face because I can't handle it. I'm that way with food too. Like if I don't like the way something smells, I can't eat it. Like, what's something? Brussels sprouts. I hate the way Brussels sprouts smell, so I can't eat them. But they might be delicious. Yeah, that's very hydrating. That feels nice. I don't know if you'd be able to tell. Can you tell a difference? Probably not, but it feels really nice. My skin feels a lot smoother there. Okay, quick recap. We got the Huda Beauty pencil. I'm excited about this. I will actually use that. The Suva eyeshadow is pretty. The color's nice. Not gonna reach for it, I'll be honest. But it's not a bad product to get. I'm just not gonna reach it because I'm more of a palette girl. So, but if you like single eyeshadows, this is pretty. The nail polish I'm actually really excited about because it's a really pretty color. It seems pretty opaque. And it's already dry, so that's awesome. Okay. The cleanser is cool. Like, I would have used it if it didn't smell like cat pee, but because it does, I'm not putting it on my face. And the It Cosmetics Gel Lotion I'm very excited about. I do wish it was bigger because this is a very, very tiny sample size, but I get it. It's an expensive product and you're only paying $10 for this bag. So out of all of this, the only thing I'm not stoked about is this. I won't be using that, but I am excited about this bag. Totally just zipped my finger up and the nail polish did not chip or scratch, so that's cool. But yeah, that's everything in my bag. Let me know down below what your favorite thing you got in the bag was, and if you got that whatever that's called, this cleanser, if you got that in your bag, let me know if it was good because I'm not trying it out. And yeah, that's everything. If you guys enjoy these, then let me know by liking this video and subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future unbaggings or unboxings. And if you guys want to hang out with me more, my social medias are of course linked down below, my Twitter and my Instagram. And that's everything I have for you guys. Bye guys.